your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's...
Good morning, new week, new vlog, starting it off with coffee morning, going meeting a friend for a coffee. Let's go.
We head into town.
On our way to meet Emporium for tea. Gary's getting out.
I know we will dance and sing.
Good night. Sweet dreams. All tucked into bed. Good night. That's very nice. Good night, darling. Love you. Love you. Human dog. Love you. Rub your eyes. Rub your eyes. Love you. Good night. This is me in bed. My tissue. My little snot bag. Feel so ill. Cancelled my friend. I just can't do it. Like, I'm so ill and I don't want to sit next to people with my nose running. Like, it's disgusting, and breathing and panting like a dog. Good morning. I've just got back from Thai boxing with my sweaty head. I feel like absolute rubbish. I think I'm actually cursed. When I buy a gym membership, like really expensive in Bali, I seem to just get sick. So last night I bought... Oh, 1 minute. Sorry, I thought my dog was yelping then. Yeah, all night my nose was like a tap, but Gary said it's probably my immune system low because I've not really done anything in the gym since forever. So I'm like, I had to leave my class. It's an hour and a half, 30 minutes early. I just felt like my chest, I was gonna die. Tonight I've got a fashion show in Seminyak. Oh, I can't be bothered. But I don't like letting people, I don't like letting people down, so I've just took some Panadol, cold and flu. I'm just gonna go make like a fresh orange drink for some vitamin C. Yeah, I don't want to let the girl down who I'm going with, so I'm just gonna have to try and grin and bear it. But you know when you feel like your nose is like Rudolph and a sweaty mess. Or as someone said, I had snot up my nose last time because of my piercing. Darling, I didn't. But yeah, I just feel a bit gross, so let's get on with the day, see if I can make it to the fashion show and wash my sweaty head. Just peeling my oranges. These are really nice. It's like an icy orange juice.
Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you?
Cheers! So fresh. I used to love these, especially because it's hot outside. Look and feel like death. Back on my smoothie shakes, banana, coconut water, peanut butter, yogurt and vitamin. Yes, I take tablets, very weird. Delicious. Feel like death. I really want to go to the gym this morning, but I'm not. All my Vicks on, I've had a shower. I'm gonna go fabric shopping. I don't want to sit around and feel sorry for myself. I need to like crack along. So I'm gonna go to the chemist in a minute. I go to this like local chemist because tablets are cheaper, like the ones next to Pepito are really expensive. Tourist prices. So yeah, I'm not paying their prices. I'm gonna go to this local chemist. It's on Batu Belong, it's like orange. It is so much cheaper, like for example, the hospital gave Gary a prescription and it was like maybe nearly $1 million for some tramadol for his knee after his operation. And he said to the doctor, like, can you just give me the prescription, I'll go to my own pharmacy. Then another like pharmacy, like a touristy one, was 200k, and this local pharmacy is 65k for the same amount, like 10 tablets. So I need some antihistamines to try and stop my nose running and my eyes watering. And yesterday she wanted 150k. They're like 19p back at home. I said, no, sorry love, I ain't paying that. So in this chemist, the antihistamines are like 20k, so there is a big difference. And the distance is like 5 minutes, so yeah. I'm gonna have my breakfast, get dressed, go to the chemist, and then meet my friend Caitlin. She's starting something exciting. I'm not gonna say what it is because I don't know when she's like announcing it, but she's starting something. It's kind of for women, fashion, but not like a fashion brand. So yeah, that's exciting. And yeah, so we're just going looking for fabric. Let's see what we find. We're going to Denpasar. Really busy, the roads in Denpasar. You've got to be a super good driver. Wish me luck. And the sun's come out. I texted her saying, yesterday I cancelled, but I texted her saying it looks like a cool day. I think I'm a bit deranged because there's no such thing as a cool day in Bali. And now the sun's beaming, so I think I want to put like a long shirt on because I'm driving Denpasar. Just better to have a bit of a sleeve on. There you go. Catch you in Denpasar. We've arrived, fabric shopping. It's so hot. I said to her it's cool today. I don't know where that comes from, but yeah, fabric shops. Well, we've come down the wrong street, so we're just having a nosy. See what we find.
Put all your stuff away.
Found some nice ones. Just ignore me, panting like a dog. I like this one. Reminds me of my granny's to sing the sewing machine.
Make the most of it. I know we will dance and sing. There's a heat wave. There's a heat wave rolling in. There's a heat wave, yeah. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire.
That was an eventful little day. I didn't get anything. I was just looking around. There was only like the few zigzag fabrics, but then she didn't accept card payment, so I can use GoSend. But to be honest, I've got a box full of fabric that I need to work my way through. And yeah, my nose is clearing up now because I took some, it's like an antihistamine from the chemist. Anyway, moving on. This drone is my drone that, remember, I was getting fixed if you watch my other vlogs. So, you know, I always go to Nude, and the girl in there, the waiter, was telling me the other day, I was telling her like, I had to Google if you can use a drone at the temple, but in Bali, it's like, you're not allowed to do it. So they ask you to read the rules when you go in, and the first rule is like, do not fly a drone over for, I think it's like for respect reasons or whatever. Anyway, you're not allowed to do it. So when I Googled it, I thought, right, well, I'm not going to take it because I'd have to take it in my backpack. Sorry, I've got a lozenge. I'd have to take it in my backpack, and yeah, it'd be too heavy to carry anyway. So she said, Mum, a dad bought a drone and he told her mum it was 500k and it was like 3 million. And he really like saved up for this drone, and he lost it, like the GPS went off, and they drove around the village, I think it's near Kintamani, for 4 hours, and she said we could not find the drone. And her dad was really upset, and like he didn't tell her mum, but obviously because it was a lot of money. So me and Gary have this older drone. What? Oh shit, nearly breaking it before it's got there. This DJI Mavic Pro. But the gimbal doesn't turn, but you can still fly it and it still snaps pictures. And I bought a new battery to practice flying with. So I'm going to give it to give her dad. And he can play with it because they've lost theirs and they drove round and they saved up for a long time. And I've got a new one that I got for my birthday, so they'll probably be really grateful for it. So she doesn't know. I went in for a coffee before and I asked Desak, the manager, if she's going to be in, and she said yeah, she's working tonight, so I'm going to give it her. I'm not going to film it because I don't want to be like a weirdo shoving a camera in her face, and she might not want to be on camera, so yeah, I'm going to give it her and tell her to give it her dad, because she's going to take me around a village where they make Iraq, like a local drink, but I wanted to wait till Gary's better because he wanted to come as well, because obviously it's going to be like a really good experience. And she said like her village is right on a steep hill, so you only get there by car. So yeah, that's going to be a nice experience, and then her dad can get good footage of with the drone of us all. And yeah, there you go. That's my Friday giving back. Hashtag giving back. I'm going to go Pizza Friday, give her the drone, and happy days, pass on the kindness. Peace. Just in a fruit shop buying fresh fruit. Oh yeah, lady, I'm not eating bad food today. Actually, I'm ordering good food. Can't be bothered with a little bottle. Big bag of fruit for 120, so about £6, I think. Yeah. So after the training, I've just been to get like my food. Sam's coming here, it's a friend. I'm talking to Sam. He's trying to understand. Trying to understand me and then translate and then read over everything. We had 4 translations going on here.
Yeah, 4 translations.
I mean, yeah, I'm like chicken, no spice. I speak like shadowboxing so fast. He tried to understand me, but he couldn't. Gary's got chicken and rice and squid ink. This is my tea, chicken and rice from the Warung, and trying a corn fritter. We're back. This is our first Pizza Friday. What was in my way? In 4 weeks. Home. That was nice having a little pizza night. Then Gary found out the Liverpool manager were leaving and spent the whole time on his phone, devastated. The girl was really happy with the drone. And she was like, no, I can't take it, it's too much. And she's like, oh, I feel like crying. So yeah, there's the good deed done. Having an early night, my nose feels a lot better, them tablets are kicking in. Hopefully I might train in the morning. Then it's the concert. Oh, I feel so ill, I've slept all day. I was meant to be going on a day trip to that cultural park. Didn't happen. Got my concert in 3 hours. I feel bad cancelling on my friend because I cancelled on her for the fashion show the other day. I feel awful, so I'm going to have to go and get dressed. And I've just received a video off the girl who I gave the drone to for her dad, and he's flying it around, so they're happy, so that's good. I'm going to stop and get some antibiotics on the way to this concert. I'm ready. I just had a bit of a fight with my wardrobe. Do you want to see? Because it's raining, thundering, lightning, I didn't know what to wear. Yeah, pretend you didn't see that. So I've just got my caftan on that I made. Let me show you. Caftan, bandana that I made, and some little boots because it's raining. I need to go because my friend's waiting. Bye. We're just walking into Trey Songz and it's 10 PM. That's it. Bambi, we're going past. No. There we are. My friend parking a scooter. She's asking if there's someone special here, and we're going to see Trey Songz.
I see you.
Where are we going seeing?
We're going to Trey Songz.
Trey Songz.
Go backstage.
Okay.
Be in the truck.
Okay, so we're going to Atlas. Is it Atlas or the
It's Atlas Beach Fest Club.
Oh, Beach Fest Club. We're going to Trey Songz. Hey!
It's gonna be
put
amazing.
face on.
Yeah, with the groupies, yeah.
And we've got our 2 other friends. I keep calling her the wrong name, but Becky and Nadine. They've just gone on the floor check. Let's go!
Let's go!
Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it. I know we will dance and sing. There's a heat wave. There's a heat wave rolling in. There's a heat wave, yeah. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire.
Good morning, it is 9:10. I'm gonna go for a beach walk. I had a really good night last night, like really good, and I think I got home about 1:30. It come on really late, it come on at like 1 o'clock and it started at 9. I was like, everyone thought it were gonna come on at like 10:30, but because it's a club, it come on later, but everyone had had enough by that point. People was like, oh, how much longer? And it's dead expensive in that club, Atlas, what is it, Atlas Super Club. So yeah, I'm going to end this vlog here. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye!